These honey barbecue chicken strips are giving Dairy Queen at home. They're nice and crunchy on the outside, nice and tender on the inside. What you'll need to make these Copycat honey barbecue chicken strips are crispy chicken strips, the Tyson brand. Pour the crispy chicken strips into the rotisserie pan. Then get ready to put the crispy chicken strips in the oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. Some barbecue sauce, honey, 100%. A Ziploc bag for the honey barbecue sauce. Add the chicken strips and shake it. Some buttermilk ranch in a bowl. These chicken strips are so flavorful with barbecue sauce, sweet honey. Subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and follow me.